Okay, this is a demo on how to do your solving two-step equation assignment. So this first slide, we can see we have a two-step equation here. -4 plus 7m equals 80. And in this little box here, what it's going to want you to do, this is just the directions. What it's going to want you to do is add or subtract the constant. Well, we know that, right? We know that the first thing we do is we look for the number that's by itself, the constant, that doesn't have a variable, and we add or subtract it to both sides. Once we do that, we simplify it out. And then we're going to divide by the coefficient, or we're going to multiply by the divisor. That's our step 2 of solving a two-step equation. And then we'll have our solution. Couple things to notice. These little bars right here are so that you can cancel things out at each step. And I'm going to show you what this looks like. Okay, here we go. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is I see that I have a -4. I need to cancel that out. So I'm just going to type +4 on both sides. All right. And now these are going to cancel out. And then I need to simplify what I have left down here. Well, the 4's are gone, but I still have a 7m. So I'm going to type 7m. And then it says on the right side, 80 plus 4, which is 84. Okay, so I hope that makes sense so far. That's our first step of solving a two-step equation. We always target that constant, get rid of that first. Okay, it says here, use the slash to show division. So I know that 7 and m are multiplying, and I'm going to need to do the opposite of that, which is divide. So I'm going to need to divide both sides by 7. And it says use a slash. So I have the slash. It's underneath the question mark on your keyboard if you can't find it. So I'm going to say divided by 7 on both sides. Divided by 7. And now these 7s are also going to cancel out. So that all I have left on the left side is m. That's good because my whole goal here is getting the variable by itself. And then 84 divided by 7, remember that you're dividing here, is 12. And I'm done. Let's look at one more example because there are basically two kinds of two steps that you're going to be solving. So same thing, the directions will be, this one starts with division, right? We have a division problem here, k divided by 3 plus 7 equals 15. So same directions, we're going to add or subtract the constant, looking for that number by itself without a variable. There we go. And then simplify. And then we're going to divide by the coefficient or multiply by the divisor. In this problem, because we start with division, we have a divisor, which is 3. So we're going to need to multiply on both sides. And then we have our solution. Let's go ahead and make that happen. Okay, so I have k over 3 plus 7 equals 15. I see a plus 7 here. I need to do the opposite of that. That's the constant. Let's get rid of it by subtracting 7 on both sides. And now I know that these two will cancel. And all I have left is k over 3. Go ahead and, again, use that slash to show that you're dividing. Okay? And then 15 minus 7 is 8. Okay. It says use parentheses to show multiplication. Because how do I get rid of this? How do I get this variable by itself? It's dividing by 3, so I'm going to multiply by 3. And I'm going to show that with parentheses on both sides. All right, these 3's are now going to cancel out. And all I have left is k. And then I multiply. Remember what your operation is. That's important. 8 times 3 is 24. And I'm done. Okay, so I hope that is helpful to get this assignment done today. And do a good job. And I will talk to you guys later.